The one baller on Thursday, Mohammad Ashraful. He would have been very disappointed with that. Did he find the gap? He did. Well played.
Loves to hook and pull, Mohammad Ashraful. Not a very tall player in his team, but anything short, he would go for it. We've seen Habibul Bashar this time around. Very nicely played. Got over top of it, and the placement was perfect, even though there were two men posted at the deep.
That will go all the way. The man out deep is in front of square. That was placed behind the square.
Well, I can tell you one thing, no shortage of talent from Mohammad Ashraful. All he needs to do is stay in the wicket. That is an absolutely beautiful shot he played. Nice sweep down on his knees. And the moment he played that, he knew that it will go all over to the boundary.
Wow, that was spanked.
Super shot. And once again from the bat of Mohammad Ashraful. Just take a look at that shot. Tiger on a roaring up. Full of length. Hit on the up. Beautiful.
He's gone for it. Hasn't hit it very well, and that's going to preserve his wicket. To the middle of that, he could well have found Glenn McGrath. As it is, he picks up two. Into desperation, just creeping in.
Yeah, it looks like they might try and tie Michael Clark on, and this is when he's dangerous. He can get a few wickets, quick single there again, and end of the over, 94 for 3.
Cheeky, but very effective.
What a lovely shot. All youth at your peril, Ian. It's great to see a young guy taking on the Australians, and he's playing really well. 102 for 3.
Well, Mohammad Ashraful, he's thinking very much on the same lines. Very good use of the feet, well executed shot.
Fantastic shot. And as a left armour, the really only way you're going to get that as a thick outside edge to Kaspuch, or a catch to Tonti in that cover. But it was a beautiful shot over. Plenty of room over in the cover area.
With a turn to finish off the over. 32 overs gone. 115 for 3.
Oh, fine shots, lovely shots. Say that, Glenn McGrath. So much for that line and length.
Ashraful really showing us what he's capable of here. Got a one baller against England on Thursday, but this was a fantastic shot. Lofting it over extra cover.
There it goes again. Fetched that one back as well. Successful. Oh, second boundary of the over for Mohammad Ashraful. Takes him through to 50. It's his 5th in one-day internationals. And it's been a sparkling affair too. 50 from just 58 deliveries. Good contact. No problems getting through this time. Plenty of space out there. You mentioned the shape of this ground earlier. It's almost square. And so those corners, by definition, the furthest from the pitch itself. Find the spaces, you can find the twos. Now that's gone high. Gillespie's down there, and he's not taken it. He got himself in a bit of a tangle with the sun. You could see a hand go up to try and shield the sun. He is not a happy man.
The sun is helping Bangladesh. It's warmer, they feel a lot happier, and they are playing a lot better cricket. But they are getting a bit of help also in the field. Has his shades on, Jason Gillespie, but still struggling to pick the ball up when it's coming at him. That's lots of runs. That's quite a few. That's going to be 4.
Very somber looking Ricky Ponting. There's plenty of spin there from Brad Hogg, but it's a good shot. Nicely struck sweep shot. Now there's a chance for an extra here. The hand on in the deep didn't work. There it goes, up in the air again. Gillespie across to it. Cattish with the throw.
Mohammad Ashraful certainly likes the hook. So far he has been successful. Good fortune. Dropped once, of course.
Well, that should go fine. Gillespie very wide at long leg. Never in the contest there to cut that one off. Well, all the smiles now are on Bangladeshi faces. Some of these people have come, I'm sure, some distance to watch this game today. I don't know what their expectations were at the start, but those expectations now will have been raised dramatically.
Mohammad Ashraful is on strike. He's on 76. That's away fine as well. Running quickly away to the boundary. 4 more.
That brings up his 10th boundary. He's played a little gem of a knock, hasn't he, Mohammad Ashraful? He's talking about Australia looking flat.
Little sweep. It's a sweep for 4.
What a shot. He's played a beautiful innings. He's got a 96 off 96 balls, and game is really tight. And really, Bangladesh should win it from here, David.
Well, he's played remarkably well. Ashraful's moved on to 96 from 96. Field doesn't alter. Shy at the stumps, miles out. Ricky Ponting, take aim, fire. Captain's missed. You've got it, son. Well played, Mohammad Ashraful. Bangladesh 108th one-day game, only the 2nd centurion. Take a bow.
What a 100. And he is happy, young man, and so you should be. You've done your country proud today. 100 runs from 100 balls. Take a bow. Great applause. Look at the camp there. They are happy for him.
Now he's got to go and win this game. Bangladesh require 23 from 18 deliveries, 7.67. Ashraful, a runner ball 100, 11 fours. 20 years of age he is. They've got some good young players. Ball's full length, it's in the air. Fielder underneath it, he's looking for 6, he's gone. Brad Hogg out in the deep at mid-on. Australia are good at winning games from nothing. Brilliant there that he's played so well. Adam Gilchrist has run straight up to him, shook hands. He's distraught. He's scored 100. But is it Australia again coming back strong? Right at the post. Looking for 6 and he's found long on.
Yeah, Jason got it full and straight. Just at the toe end of the bat, and a good catch taken by Brad Hogg down there. They needed that, Australia. The young man's out. Now have they got the temperament to get on with it, to win the game? I'm not quite sure now. Australia are good at closing games out. We've seen them beat England in tight finishes before, and the same should happen again. But cricket's a funny game, David.
Well, he's played so well. It's a brilliant effort.